In this video, I'll show you how to make a transparent background in Photopea step by step. A transparent background is perfect for logos, product images, stickers, and graphics that you want to use on different backgrounds. First, open your web browser and go to photopea.com. Click *file***, then *open**, and select the image you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, unlock the background layer if it's locked by clicking the lock icon in the Layers panel. Now choose the best selection tool for your image. You can use the ** magic wand tool ** for simple backgrounds, the object selection tool ** for automatic subject detection, or the * quick selection tool ** to manually select your subject. Carefully adjust the selection until the entire object is selected. If needed, click * select and then refine edge * to smooth the edges and improve the selection. This is especially useful for hair, fur, or detailed objects. Take a moment to check the edges so your final image looks clean and professional. Once you're happy with the selection, press ** delete * to remove the background, or create a * layer mask * if you want a non-destructive edit that you can adjust later. You should now see the gray and white checkerboard pattern, which indicates that the background is transparent. To save your work, click ** file **, then save as PSD** if you want to keep the layers for future editing. If you need the final image with transparency, click ** file **, export as **, and choose *PNG**. Make sure you don't export as JPG because JPG does not support transparent backgrounds. Click Save *, choose a location on your computer, and your transparent PNG image is ready to use anywhere you need it. And that's how you can make a transparent background in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video.